Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very beautiful crochet baby headband pattern for 1 year baby girl. I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 mm and a 3-ply yarn. You can use a 4-ply yarn and larger size crochet hook as well if you want. So first of all, make a slip knot. And now we will start our chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, chain 9 and then 10, and we are going to make a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. So into the second chain make a single crochet, then into the next chain make a single crochet like this. Single crochet is made by pulling the yarn through chain and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So make 9 single crochet stitches in total. I have completed 9 single crochet stitches. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Now turn up the work and we are going to skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Into the 5th one right here we are going to make a shell stitch pattern. So wrap the yarn around crochet hook, go into this 5th stitch, draw up a loop like this. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the same stitch, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 and then through other 2 to make a double crochet. Then make double crochet 3 into the same stitch. Now make chain 1 and chain 2 and into the same stitch we are going to make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, now after making 3 double crochet stitches, skip 1, 2 and 3 stitches, and here is our last single crochet stitch. You can see 2 loops on our hook. In this last single crochet stitch make a double crochet. We are going to repeat this same row again and again. So make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet. Now we are going to work into this chain 2 space of our shell stitch. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and now we are going to make a double crochet in this 3rd chain right here. So here we make a double crochet, again make 3 chains, turn up the work, into the chain 2 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, last one double crochet 3 and again a double crochet in this right 3rd chain. So in this way we are going to just repeat this row till our required length is completed. Now in the end make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet, then make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, turn up the work and we are going to make single crochet into the chain 2 space. So make a single crochet here, chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3 again, and we are going to make a double crochet in third chain, which is our turning chain. Now make chain 1, turn up the work, and we are going to make a single crochet on these chains. So first of all, make a single crochet on this very first double crochet stitch, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and then single crochet 3 in this chain 3 space, a single crochet on the single crochet stitch which we have made in chain 2 space, then again single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and then single crochet 3 in chain 3 space, and our last single crochet stitch would be made in third chain. So make a single crochet in this third chain, and we have exact 9 single crochet stitches as we have in our first starting round right here. Now we can join these two sides together with different methods. You can use a sewing needle to join them together as well, but I am using a slip stitch method. So in every corresponding stitch of single crochet from both sides, we will make a slip stitch like this. So now into the second stitch, make a slip stitch like this from both sides. Then into the third stitch, make a slip stitch like this. You can work in both loops of single crochet like I am doing, or you can just work in first loop as well. Join these sides together like this, and now cut the yarn and pull this yarn like this, and we are going to attach flower. So this is simple 2 round flower. With the help of needle, attach it on this side, and this is our final baby headband. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.